Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to see about mobile showroom. So one of our friend asked me in the comment box how to start a mobile business. What are the requirements of where to start? What are the things we have to look into? Like that, he had asked me. This video is dedicated to him and also for everybody. So before starting any business, I used to tell that you discuss with your family and your wife, brother, sister, father, and mother, because they are the backbone who financially support you and physically support you. Okay, before starting this mobile showroom business, we must know some knowledges, because mobile showroom business, it involves mainly phone, ancillaries, accessories, and repair and top up. These are the things we can do in the mobile showroom business. Any family will be having four. In a family, four people are there: father, mother, both daughters, two daughters, or a son and daughters. There are there four will be having mobile phones. So four, the monthly they need top up, recharge, and they also need phones. So every 2 years or 3 years we used to change our mobiles. Often we used to change the cover. Often we used to change the tempered glasses and all. So this mobile showroom business is a evergreen business. But if you ask me, sir, nowadays online has came, whether it will affect this business? From my point, it will not affect, because online they are doing lot, like grocery they are doing, and mobile they are doing, then furnitures they are selling. Still, there are many furnitures to showroom. There are many small petty shops are there, and showrooms are there. So everybody will not buy in online. Many, when they go physically and they will paste on that tempered glass, back cover glass, different fitting, then they will be happy. So this online will not affect this mobile showroom business. But in this mobile showroom you can do retail and also online business. So it is not a threat to you, it is a positive only. So mobile, before starting this mobile showroom, we must think these four items. One is place, where I have to start this mobile showroom place. Then what are the stocks I have to keep in the mobile showroom to sell list, what I have to do it. Then how I can market it. Now I have decided on place, and I have kept stocks, and how I have to market it, how I have to sell my product, how I have to trade it, then how I have to get it dealerships. These are the things we will see in deep, and we will have a knowledge. Before going to any business, we must have some basic knowledge, because without knowledge, when we do, it will go one positive or negative. We can't tell anything. So first we will decide whether it will go positively or negatively, then we will start our business. Mobile showroom business, from an idea of 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, you can go under Mudra loan or PMEGP. For that, what you have to do, these are the things. First, where you have to start, how to start. First, you must have a name like Lakshmi. Your name is Lakshmi. Lakshmi mobiles you have to keep. Suppose your name is Rajesh. Rajesh mobiles you have to keep. Suppose your name is Abdullah. Abdullah mobiles you have to keep. Why mobiles? Because when you do retail in online, people will search like mobile, then your name will come. Only when you keep only your name is Abdullah, Lakshmi, Rajesh, it will not fetch. So it is better that if you keep Lakshmi mobiles, Kannan mobiles, Abdullah mobiles, Isaac mobiles, like that you have to keep. Then you have to open a current account in that name. In this current account, you can open in a government bank. It will be good if you open in a government bank. Then, because loan for easy loan approach, this current account will help you. This rent lease documents. These rent lease documents, if you must make it, and you have to have a GST Udayam registration and all, you have to have it. Then only when you go for a bank loan, it will be easy for you to do it. Next, where you have to start, where people are gathering, where market people will gather, bus stand, railway station, many bus stand, nearby bus stand, you can see this mobile showroom, mobile accessories business. If you are doing only mobile accessories, cover and tempered glass, this is a two items we are selling and getting more revenue. So we are doing accessories and this. So what you have to keep, low range to high range. Low range means 1000 rupees to our high range 50,000. So lot of mobiles are there from low range to this. Why at low range? Because our parents, few parents, still my parents, they don't know how to operate this smartphone. They only button system, button phone. Nokia when it came 110. So like that model, thousand, 100,000, 200, 1,300 is there. So like that model to then high range you can have to keep. How to attract the people? Music system you have to keep. Marketing how to do it, and wall mounted display you have to keep, and LED display, LED bulbs you have to make it. So these are item. Your then advertisements, your display board and all must be good. Oh, how the profit will come? Mainly when you sell the phone, you will be getting margin of 4 to 8%. That any company, Samsung, Vivo, Oppo, they will be giving you this offer. When you sell the accessories like earphone, data cable, tempered glass, phone cover, Bluetooth, these and all, nearly 50 to 60% you will be having profit. Then the turnover bonus company after selling every month how many you are selling, so like that they will be giving bonus to you. And also you can do top up like a BSNL, Geo, Airtel. So like that many companies are there, you can do this top up businesses. So in this you can get a very good profit. Next, if you see investment, what are the investment I have to do? Investment means if the land is your own, that sale deed you will be having. Otherwise, if you are lease or rental agreement will be having. This will be helpful for you opening the current account. And interiors you got to make it. That wall mounted, this lightings and all. So equipment means you must have a laptop and printer for GST, because these are involved in GST. You have to give GST bill, then purchase bill, invoice bill. So equipments, laptop and other item you got to keep. This interiors 1 lakh, equipments 50,000. Monthly rental is 10,000 I have kept. Lightings, so LED lights 10,000, and manpower 20,000, EPS 5,000, stocks 4 to 8 lakhs I am putting phones, and 2 lakhs I am investing accessories. Accessories I am investing, and a dealership for 1 lakh. So if you roughly see that fixed cost, fixed is this interior and equipment 1,50,000, lighting is 10,000, and a dealership is 1 lakh. So totally 2,60,000 my fixed cost. This is variable cost is 10,000, 20,000, 5,000. This is interest to bank. If you take interest in bank, 10,000 you got to pay. So nearly 45,000 you have to pay. 10 lakhs is a stock will be rotation always. 45,000 you got to pay to you have to pay. So you must have always this 45,000. How much income it will give to me? So if you see margin in this, for selling one branded mobile 48% is giving, other accessories 50% it is giving. So roughly if you see, these are the stocks we are keeping. Initially in a dealership, 3 times 4 times you have to pay the cash and they will deliver. After that they will give 10 days credit, 30 days credit, like that. After 30 days 100 mobiles you have taken from one company, they will tell after 30 days you pay, if by seeing your turnover and regular income. Like these are the stocks we are going to keep. Like smartphones I am going to keep, earphones, data cable, tempered glass, phone cover, Bluetooth, memory card, battery, mobile stand, charge. These are the things I am going to keep. In this smartphones 5% will be 4 to 8% margin I am taking as a 5%. So for one mobile 10,000 is there. So 100 mobile in a month. 1 month, 1 day, 3 mobile I am selling. So I am selling nearly 100. I am 3.1, 3.2 like that selling. Totally 50,000 I will be getting the income, and other accessories I am selling, I am getting 50,000. So normally 1 lakh per month I can get the income. In this 1 lakh, this 45,000 you have to minus it. So if you minus this 45,000, so 55,000 my income will be there. If you say 50% of this only sale is there, then 25,000, normally 50,000 will be there. 45,000 my expenditure, 5,000 will be my income. So here manpower I have ordered 2 manpower. If you and other person only 2 manpower, so income will be getting more. So always you must have a service. You must have a knowledge of sales and also service. Service means many will be coming to you like due to rain my mobile is not working, due to display is broken and all. So there are many companies like Samsung, Vivo, Oppo. They are giving training to the customer or dealership how to repair their mobiles. So if you go for 2 months training, 3 months training, another few separate companies are firms, they are conducting this mobile repair shops. You can go for it. Suppose if you are not knowing, there are there will be one person who is doing all the repair. So there are 10 shops nearby that. In one shop only service person is there. Other 9 shop they will depend upon the service person. So you can get the mobile and you can service it and give back to them. So for servicing now, suppose they are asking 600 or 700, you will be paying to 500 to the service person, 100 rupees your profit for half an hour. So like that you must have a must have a marketing strategy to improve your this. If you have very good knowledge of sales and services, it will be better. See, if you see my license, shop license must be there, dealership must be have, GST and UDI must have. If you go for bank loan, these four need to be there, and also KYC, bank account, your application, Mudra loan or PMEG, which type you are going, CGT, MSC coverages, and this. These are the things that bank will look into for a bank loan. So always you must have this category. Like what are the brands you are having, or what are the brands available in the market, like Samsung, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Redmi, Realme, Nokia. What are the models are existing? What is the basic model, low variant to high variant? What are the prices from low variant to high variant? Your shop price, and what are the online prices from low variant to high variant? What are your complement extra how much you are giving, and what is the offer you are giving? Suppose anything, any issues, how you are repairing. Online they have to go and it will be a time consuming process. So you have to market them, you have to speak with them, 10 minutes you got to speak with them. Surely if you are by the way of your speaking, by the way of your canvassing your product, this mobile showroom business is a very good business. It's a boom, and it will help you in your future. So always I used to tell that every business will not shine to everybody. I am having some talent, according to that some business will be helpful to me. You will be having some talent, according to that some business will be helping to you. So which type of business is best to you, how it will be helping to you, you have to research it, you have to do homework always. You, because these are money oriented, so you must be do homework before doing any job or any businesses. So kindly do it, kindly discuss with your family, and make use of this, and do your homework study, and you start the business. Once you start it, then you will be having what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages, how you have to go further. This and all you must have. Always you must remember, place, stocks, marketing and dealership are the main thing in this mobile showroom business, and you also can be a very good businessman in the near future. And I am your well wisher, and all the best for you. Anything, put in the comment box. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. Bye.